Chasers! Real estate is many people's most valuable asset. If you own property, it's important to make sure it's protected with a security system and insurance. Today's episode is about why you should get property insurance. I'm Chris Becks, your host, a business and financial advisor with over 40 years experience and the founder of the multi-award winning CBEX Business Solutions for Good. And as this is a lending topic, as a credit representative of Outsource Financial Limited, I'm obliged to give you this general advice disclaimer before we begin.
The advice provided is for educational purposes and is general advice only, as we did not take into account your investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs. Before making an investment decision on the basis of this advice, you should consider how appropriate the advice is to your particular investment needs and objectives. Chris Becks is a director of CBEX Financial Solutions and a credit representative of Outsource Financial Limited, license number 384324, and is authorized to provide personal credit advice.
Now that is done, let's dive into this episode. Property insurance is a type of insurance that covers your home and its contents against damage or loss caused by certain events, such as fire, theft, and natural disasters. It can also provide liability coverage in case someone is injured on your property. Let's look at some of the reasons why you should get property insurance. Number 1, financial protection. It can protect your financial investment in your home. Your home is likely your biggest financial asset. Property insurance can help you recover the cost of rebuilding your home if it is damaged or destroyed by a fire, flood, or other covered event. It can help you recover the cost of replacing your belongings if they are damaged or stolen. Your belongings such as furniture, electronics, and clothing can also be expensive to replace. Property insurance can help you recover the cost of replacing those items if they are damaged or stolen. Number 2, tenant damage. Whether intentional or accidental, damage caused by your tenants to your property or furnishings can be covered by insurance, helping you recover the cost of repairs. Number 3, liability coverage. It can provide liability coverage in case someone is injured on your property. If someone is injured on your property, you could be held liable for their medical expenses and other damages. Property insurance can help you pay for these costs. Number 4, peace of mind. It can give you peace of mind knowing that you are financially protected in the event of a loss. The peace of mind that comes with knowing that you are financially protected in the event of a loss is priceless. Number 5, a lender requirement. If you've taken a mortgage to finance your property investment, most lenders will require you to have insurance as a condition of the loan. Property insurance not only protects your investment, but also helps you meet lenders' requirements. And number 6, eviction coverage. Evicting a tenant can be a lengthy and costly process. Some insurance policies offer coverage for legal expenses incurred during eviction proceedings. A number of lending customers have asked us recently, why has property insurance premiums risen so much? Well, the cost of property insurance has risen dramatically in recent months due to a number of factors, including the increased risk of natural disasters such as floods, cyclones, and wildfires, often attributed to global climate change. The rising construction costs due to COVID, inflation, and the availability of materials. And increased competition for insurance as more insurers exit the market. So with this rise in insurance, how can property owners reduce their premiums? Despite these challenges, there are still ways for property owners to reduce their premiums, and here are a few tips. Increase your excess. This will lower your premium, but it will also mean that you'll have to pay more out of pocket if you make a claim. Bundle your home and auto insurance. Many insurers offer discounts for bundling your policies. Make sure your home is well maintained. Insurers will give you a discount if your home is in good condition. Install security features. Insurers may offer discounts for security features such as burglar alarms and fire alarms. Get a home inspection. A home inspection can identify any potential problems with your home that could increase your risk of a claim. Maintain a good credit score. Insurers use credit scores to determine premiums. By following these tips, you can reduce your property insurance premiums and protect your financial future. Here are some other considerations. The cost of property insurance varies depending on the size and value of your home, the location of your home, and the type of coverage you choose. However, the cost is typically very affordable, especially when compared to the cost of rebuilding your home or replacing your belongings. Property insurance can help you avoid financial hardship in the event of a loss. For example, if your home is destroyed by a fire, property insurance can help you pay for the cost of rebuilding it. This can be a lifesaver if you don't have the financial resources to rebuild your home on your own. There are many other different types of property insurance policies available. Some policies only cover the structure of your home, while others also cover the contents of your home. Some policies also offer liability coverage. It's important to choose a policy that fits your needs and budget. It's important to shop around and compare quotes before you buy a property insurance policy. This will help you find the best policy for your needs and budget. Keep your policy up to date with changes to your home, such as adding a new room or making renovations. If you have a claim, take a record of what the damage is. Photos are a good idea. Be sure to file it promptly and accurately. Of course, no one wants to think about their home being damaged or destroyed, but you only have to watch the nightly news on TV to see that it is a reality that can happen to anyone, and occurs more often than you might think. Property insurance can help you protect your financial future and give you the peace of mind in the event of emergencies. Property insurance is often called a necessary evil because it is something that you hope you never have to use, but it is essential to have in case of an emergency. You just have to think of Murphy's Law. Anything that can go wrong will go wrong, and at the worst possible time. If you don't have property insurance, I urge you to get it today. It's one of the best ways to protect your financial future. Thank you for listening. I'm Chris Becks, and I look forward to presenting our next episode to you.
If you enjoyed this episode and you'd like to help support the Chasers channel, we would love you to share it with your business friends and colleagues, post about it on social media, or leave a rating and review. To catch all the latest from CBEX Business Solutions for Good, follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/CBEX, Instagram @CBEX, and on the internet at cbex.com. Thanks again, and we'll be sharing new info with you on our next episode.